we have a new recipe today, seppie in insimino, that is squids with green vegetables. To prepare this easy recipe and very tasty and simple, we need squids, of course, 1 onion, tomato sauce, only tomato, not mixed with other, and some green vegetables. First of all, we cut the onion. Then we put the onion into the pan. We add some olive oil. And we put the onion on the fire, super slow flame, super slow. She needs to stay at least 10 minutes slow. In order not to burn the onion, we add some water inside. When it starts frying, a tear of water. And in time, we cut the squid. We add some water so the onion will not burn. We put down the squid. Note that this is a Mediterranean squid, so in theory it needs really short cooking. If you have the Atlantic one, they are more they're thinner, tougher, so you need to let them go a while. So now I will cook it for about 10 minutes, then I will add the tomato sauce. Note that also for the squids, you have to go with a low flame, because if it is too high, the squid tends to shrink, so and to be thick. So slow flame also here. This is not to cook in a hurry. About 10 minutes past, I add tomato sauce. Let's say half of these, maybe. Yeah. This is a pound, half pound. If you want, you can add fresh tomatoes. Huh? It's really as you prefer. Okay, 15 minutes, let's say. Well, the sauce is ready. It passed our 10 to 15 minutes. Now we have our green vegetables. This might be spinach or bietola, whatever. It is still humid. Also more than this. I mean, now I'm alone, so this is symbolic. We put into the sauce and with the squid, etc. And we put a cover. Low flame. We are waiting for the vegetables to be cooked and the sauce to be more dense. It smells good. Another 15 minutes passed. Now the squid is super tender and the vegetable too also. Yeah. So we're ready. Add salt, pepper, and we're done. If you have doubts, write me. Let me know if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.